Welcome back to Weems Motor Co. Today, we're infiltrating the enemy territory. That's right, we're going to the Harley-Davidson dealership. And not only that, you might remember a little TV show from a couple years back called American Chopper, featuring the guys from Orange County Choppers. Today, we've been invited to go to their show, and we're gonna show them what it's like with our Triumphs. Stick around. Up everybody, all right, here we are. Got 56 set up, got the booth set up, got Hollywood Run over there, hanging out at the OCC Ride-In Show. Super cool, super awesome people around here. It's just getting started. They got live bands, all kinds of fun stuff. So let's go see what kind of shenanigans we can get ourselves into. Stick around. The whole gang's here. Right. You've seen all of these guys on the channel, on Instagram, hanging out. You ride a Harley.
I do.
You have a Harley and a Triumph.
No, I don't have a Harley.
You have a Buell. It's a Harley.
I have 3 Buells.
And he has a Harley. And I bring only Triumphs to Harley dealerships, so that's what I do. You guys having fun at the Chopper Show?
Absolutely, yeah.
Spiff, thank you for helping out everything you do at the Ride Factory.
It's my pleasure.
Zach, don't die.
You're quite sketchy.
Don't die riding sketchy choppers. Jeremiah, keep making the meat.
Oh, I am.
We're gonna go check out some more motorcycles and stuff here at the show. Stick around! It's Sean's in. Oh wait, who's back there behind us? Mr. Herb! Alright, so this guy right here has one of the coolest shovel heads at the show. What color is that you call it?
It's a tangy turquoise.
A tangy
Yeah,
turquoise.
tangy turquoise. It's tangy.
Did you taste it to make sure it's tangy?
It's super duper tangy. It's
Super-
got a little it's a little salty, but it's tangy.
It's tangy. Probably my favorite part on the whole bike is going to be the handlebars. I heard that there was a super cool guy hooked you up with some handlebars for
Yeah,
the chopper.
definitely. I mean, not only did he come over and help me make sure that the chain was properly put on my said chopper, but he also was like, hey, I got some really cool risers and a nice set of bars that might look really cool on this. And I was like, all right, check it out.
And I think it came out quite well.
Yeah.
Quite well. Beautiful bikes on. Hey,
Thanks, sir.
thank you so much. We're gonna go check out some more motorbikes. Hanging out at the Chopper Show. Horrible lighting. Let's see where we can get our faces lit up. There we go.
I'll get my face lit up real quick, baby.
Oh, the light.
All I need to do is fire a couple more silver bullets into it, and guess what? RGB with a emphasis on red.
Oh man, gotta have some beer right now. Hanging out at the Chopper Show with none other than the wonderful good friend of mine, His name is...
I'm a bad friend, dude. I'm a bad friend. The disgusting, the stinky, the revolting shade tree surgeon, baby. Hide your women, hide your children. Let's, we'll say this, baby. We're oozing onto the scene, and we'll leave a trail. We ain't hard to find, but we ain't scared if you find us.
You are the shadiest of shade tree surgeons that I know of. I mean, that Sportster that you rode up on today, I was watching your fabrication video.
Here's the thing, man. Yeah, exactly. That's what terrifies me is you watching my fabrication videos. Yeah, everyone does like, oh, is it so cool to be friends with guys like Jared Weems, who is literally a world-class fabricator? And like, no, dude, because he watches my videos. He's like, you dip.
Where'd you buy that piece of angle iron at?
Home Depot.
Home Depot. Everybody knows this guy. Nobody knows me. But if you're watching my channel, make sure you're watching Shade Tree channel.
Give me a break, dude.
See all
Let's
the
talk about your bike real quick, man.
What about my bike?
What about your bike? This is the first time I've ever seen it in person. Here's the thing, and I say this all the time. I talk about Jared a lot, and what I do is I really mean it. He's such a world-class builder, but he's one of the most humble people I've ever met in my life. When I say he's humble, a lot of people are humble, but they don't have much to be humble about. And please put this in the video, because you would never say this. They're humble, but they don't have a lot to be humble about. Or maybe some people are humble and they got a lot to be humble about. Jared's humble, and he literally built a bike that took home born free. You're talking about the entire world of motorcycle builders. This is a motorcycle that's going to go down in history. Like, Jared, this motorcycle will go, people will talk about this 50 years from now. Because there are custom bikes, you know that. There are custom bikes people talk about from the 70s.
I've said this, I feel sorry whoever gets this motorcycle eventually, because there is not a single stock piece on this bike, and if something goes wrong, I'm not going to be around to
You're done, dude. You're done, dude.
It's a one-off. One-off, man.
Here's the thing about this bike, man. You could look at it for an hour, and every single minute you'd find something that was worth looking at for a minute. That's true.
And it probably took me 700 minutes to make
Yeah, enjoy that minute, because that's days of work for every minute you look at this bike. Jared, I'm proud to call you my friend. And the fact that you can build motorcycles is only a small part of it. That's pretty cool. That's a neat trick, neat human trick. I love you because you're an amazing human being.
And we're going to build a bicycle, right?
We're going to build a bicycle together.
We're going to build a bicycle.
Oh, we're going to build so many things. We're going to build a bicycle together. We're going to go race dirt bikes in the California desert that are custom. We're going to build a Triumph Chopper that I have in boxes that Jared's going to help me do and do most of the work. And I'm going to say that I did everything on it. You know, enter in a show.
We should build a two-up bicycle and ride together.
A cross-country trip on a duo bicycle. We'll take turns.
Count me out on that one. Here we are right inside of Bert's Barracuda Harley Davidson, checking out some of the ride-in bikes, and nothing is cooler than being in a Harley Davidson dealership and not having one but two Triumph Choppers right inside the Harley dealership, both of them leaking oil all over the floor. I love it. Gotta love Triumphs. Let's check them out. As we're wrapping up here at the Chopper Show, this gentleman lets me know about the amazing Evo that he has. So, what was the story? Like, this thing was built in what, 2 days?
Yeah, something like that. Picked up this 1984 Softail Evo, first year Evo, 4-speed. It was complete basket case, not running and stuff. And 2 days ago, it was a bare frame, and threw it together just in my garage and stuff, and it's here.
Dude, amazing job, man. You got a name for it or what?
The stiff tail. It was a soft tail, so now it's a hard tail.
The stiff cell, I like that. That's awesome. So where can people find you on Instagram?
Caleb Hensley 95.
Caleb Hensley 95. Make sure you go check him out. Check out this build. 2 days from a frame to riding it to the show. Super awesome. Good job, brother.
Thank you.
All right, guys. We're going to check out a couple more things.
Number days, check out Weems Motor Co. Like and subscribe, brother.
So here we are, ending the Chopper Show at the Harley-Davidson dealership, where there was not only one, but 2 Triumphs in the show. But what was amazing was the crustiest, rustiest, dirtiest Triumph of them all, what you like to affectionately call the Krusty Glide, has taken home a prestigious award. Let's check out what he won. Well, guys, that's gonna wrap it up here. Once again, Triumph wins at a Harley show, and I'm super excited about that. Make sure you're following my friend on his Instagram. He's a Buell guy, but he's a Triumph guy, mostly at heart. Yep. That's gonna wrap it up. Thank you guys for hanging out for this video. If you're new around here, jump down, hit that subscribe button. If you really like the video, hit that thumbs up, turn those notifications on, and let everyone know what's going on right here
At Weems Motor Co.
Peace!